Hi guys, and today we're going to be trying to build a mod in Minecraft Education Edition and also do some coding. So let's get started on the coding first, and then we'll work our way up to the mod later. So first, I think let's just do something like build, like a project name build. So let's say we're gonna do house. So we're gonna do house, and the agent is going to make a house. To make sure this is in plain text, but this is plain text anyway. So first, that's the simple way is to use place on move. But so first we need to press it to on. And we're basically going to make the agent like build a simple rectangle or something. So let's say we're gonna make it move forward by 6, and we're gonna make it move left, and then right, and then we're gonna make it go right, and then back. So there we go. So it will place on move whenever we do this, and then it's gonna go forward, left, right, and then back. You go forward, left, right, and then back, and then just repeat. So to make repeat it, just copying everything from this. We just do a repeat. Let's say we're gonna make the walls 5 blocks high, and then we're going to make it go up too, because after that we have to make it go up. We have to make it go up too. So we're gonna make it go up. Sometimes this could make a mistake because like this is very stable sometimes. Up by one move, and then we're gonna make it like this. Okay, let's test out some of this. Let's just test out if it works. So right now we just have to enter the house that we just do. It's kind of that. So we have house here, but the agents are waiting for the TP. So that's what I TP as CS and the agent to myself is facing the wrong direction. I am a noob. Okay, so now we just need to enter the house again, and it's our blocks, of course. Okay, let's try that again by actually putting a block in here. Comment down below if you want to know what blocks should I use. It doesn't actually know, it's just random blocks. So we just enter house again, and that is I don't know if this is right or wrong, to be honest. That is definitely wrong. That is definitely wrong. That is probably definitely wrong. Okay. So basically it came forward, but then it came left, and just back, and just completely ignored the white. Oh, why? I have to make it back first, I think. Okay, let's try that again. We'll teleport the agent, and then we'll enter the house. Now this should then ignore the white. Nice. Except for the fact that it is facing the wrong way. It's on the wrong block. I thought this could make a very good pyramid, to be honest, but this is not what we want. So, to fix that problem, I think we're just gonna have to make it do another left. Wait, so just a white, no left. Okay, let's test its code by right and left, and let's teleport the agent again. Usually I can just use code, just a TP. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Take it out of the way. So the problem is now that the blocks are sticking out. I think I have a better way. Instead of just doing this, I can just make it like this. Actually, we'll place a block, but I don't think this can be. I think it's gonna be okay. So let's break this first, then we'll start again. Sometimes what you're doing is coding, it just makes mistakes sometimes. So let's do this again. And it should work. It did not work. Why did it not work? I like how พ่อจะไปฟัง
เข้าฟังอยู่เข้าไปถึงครับ
โอเคพ่อฟังก้าวอยู่ใช่ไหม What the Okay, I think I found a problem now. Maybe. Okay, let's try this again. I hate this job. To be honest, I hate this. Sometimes I just kill the mobs because every time they just get in the way of my agent. So let's go here. And then we're just gonna do something like this. The horse is in the way. I don't know how to tame the horse. It's just going where I want. It definitely works, but it didn't work, but it definitely works. Okay, let's try that again because there was a mob and I got in the way. What? Okay, let's try this. Let's try putting it up below, up above that one. And let's try this again. Usually I can just do slash and it's going to the complete wrong direction. Okay, let's try this again. I hate this now. And bam. If this arrows, I don't know what does. How does that work? How do you work? What are you? Okay, never mind. So now we got our thing. So what we have to do now is that we just need to put a repeat over here. And then it will repeat this 4 times. And then we can start building the basic house. What was that? I don't know. If possibly you want to tell me what was that in the corner. There's so many sheepies here. There's like too many sheepies. That's cute. Yeah. Hang on a sec. I'm just gonna kill some sheepies over here. There we go. We'll move sheep. Wait, what are all these sheep in the area? Low. There we go. So now it's working. Yes, this is what we want. Wow. No, not pain at all. Actually, was pain doing this. So we got the design, and why do I have diamond armor? I don't know. Get rid of it. Okay, so this is the design we have right now. This is perfect because this is what we want. Instead of just putting the code, we can just put a loop in here and it will just repeat this. So now we have to make the roof. So basically making the roof isn't going to be as simple as you thought, or we can just do a simple roof. I don't know. Okay, so now that we got the wall design, we need to, I think we're thinking we can go either left or forward, but I think forward is the most easiest. So we're gonna make it go forward, and then we're gonna go left, and then we're gonna go down by 4, and then we're just gonna make the agent break and place all of these. Genius. So now that we got this design, now that we got the design, we are going to now make the agent move forward first. Then we are going to make it move left, like that. And then we're going to make the agent move down. There is also like a down here, I don't know why. So we're gonna make it move down by 4. And then here's the hard part. So now we need to so first we need to get this. We need to go to over here, and then we have to go to destroy forward. But instead we change this to down, and then we have to go over here again, and then we have to make it place down like that. So now we just need to repeat this, but first we have to get forward 2, and there we go. So it will destroy and then place. We repeat that 5 times. We repeat that 5 times. So we repeat that 5 times, and basically this is just repeating and repeating constantly. We'll just keep repeating constantly until it stops. It will just keep repeating. We don't have to like put another like thing over here. So now that we got the design, so now we just have to make it move left. Then we're gonna make it move left. We need to make it move left, and then we have to make it move back, and then it starts the whole process again. And then it will start this whole process again, which means we're gonna have to make a loop to do this 5 times. To be honest, this is actually a 5 by 5. To be honest, but I said it to 4. I said to 4, but it's a 5 by 5. Okay, now that we got the design, let's do it. So now we're just gonna put the agent somewhere else, and we can have fun blowing up the house later when we create it, because well, we can just build another house with our hand. So one command. Okay, so we just say house, and there we go. But just be honest, you can't go and do something else. Even though this agent builds by itself, you can't go and do something else. Okay, you have to be in the range of the agent. It did not work. It did not work. It did not work. And I found a problem why it did not work. Okay, let's try this again. Third time's a charm. What? So let's go to do the project here. And then say house, and there we go. Wait, move out of agent, wait. And there we go, it's working. Yes, that is what we want. That is exactly what we want. So right now we have some kind of something. So we have our house. Now what we need to do next is that now we just have to make the roof. So I'll show you how to make the roof, but here's a fact. Did you know that the agent can actually break backwards? Unlike us, where we have to only break forwards, agents can break backwards. So for now, we're just gonna make it move by 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna make it break this and then break that, and we're gonna make it place a door, which that means we're going to have to get a door. Comment down below which door do you want, because I don't know which door do you want to use, but I think an old door is the most simplest door. So to get the agent to switch to this door, we have to go to the agent, but then we have to come over here inventory. It's inventory, so we have to set its active slot to 2. Then we're going to make the agent move right by some, let's say 2. No, 3. Just because it's 1, 2. Okay, wait, it's 2. So we're gonna make it by 2. We're gonna make it break. So we're gonna make it break now. Why there's such that? Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, we are going to make it break now. Now we are going to go back, and as I told you that the agent can break backwards. So now let's go over here, and then we're going to make it destroy back to top. But before that, after it destroys back, I'm going to make it move up. After it destroys again, I'm going to make it move down. Wrong thing. So let's make it move down now. It's going to make it do the down thing. There we go. So now that we got it, we want it to place backwards. Since an agent is a robot, it can place wherever it wants, even if it's... What is wrong with my screen? Hang on, guys. Okay, there. Sorry, my screen got a little wonky. So this will work. This will work. So this will now work. But before we do this, let's get this active slot again, and then we're gonna active slot it to 1 because I want it to be at the first slot. Okay, so now let's run our code by, let's CP the agent first, and then we're going to type in house, and there we go. By the way, you can actually just do like this. You can stay AFK. You can just watch the agent build a house for you. You don't have to do anything. You can just sit and relax. You can just sit and relax. You don't have to move. Just sit over here. You sit over here, and there you go. It's building the floor. Easy lemon squeezy. So, and there, the door is placed. That is the door. That is the door. So here is the door. This is like the door of this place. We don't have a roof yet, but we'll worry about that later in the video. So now that we got the door, but there's one problem is that it still has like the ugly dirt. So let's change that. It's actually very simple. We just have to make it we just have to do this. It's very simple. We just have to make it go back. We just have to make it go back and place it down. And then we just have to like make it then come forward. We just need to make it go forward. Then we just have to make it like go forward after that. But I forgot one thing. I forgot to destroy. Okay, there we got to destroy. So we will move back, destroy down, and then place down. But first we want it to be active at slot number 1. So we're gonna make it up before this. We're gonna make it like this. It will move back, destroy down, and then place the block. It will, and then I want it to come back. So we're going to make it go forward again, and then we're gonna select its slot back to the slot 2. Then nice. So before that, let's put a slot over here to make sure that it's okay. There we go. So now that the slot is in, let's run our code. Why I feel I talk with no one. Okay, so there you go. I don't know if you guys want me to turn on my webcam or not. I don't know. You want me to turn on my webcam? Because I really do not. But comment down below if you want. So the agent is basically just breaking and placing. That is actually very basic, but in later on video we will find out how to kill players in creative, and then we will show you how to like make a lot more stuff. But right now there's something wrong. There is something wrong. What is wrong? So we know that this is why it's white, but it's also wrong. Just sort. Oh, I get it. Okay. Okay, guys, that's one the code again. Sorry, I am a noob. But first, let's blow up the house. Let's blow up the house because I don't want it to entity cram. We're blowing it up. Blowing it up. Don't worry, the agent is fine. Actually, it's not actually. It should be dead. They are completely destroyed the house. What? Okay, so now that we destroyed the house, let's now build another house. I think that I should make a house on top of the house. So let's type in this again, and you can either fast forward, okay, because you do not want to see all this boring work. But if you are a good student, then pay attention on how it does it, and you will know the problem if it ever comes up. I don't know why this is. Okay, we got it there. We have the door and we have everything. But yes, okay. So now we got everything. We got the door and we got the floor done. That is why that is a house. Well, it's not actually a house because like there is like some kind of roof missing. There's a roof missing. What am I doing? Okay, so now let's focus on the roof now, guys. So here's the thing. Well, now we're going to make it move up by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're gonna make it move up by 4. I mean 5, and then we're going to do the same tactic. We are going to do the same tactic that we did at the floor, but with no breaking. So now let's make it move up, and then we're 5. We're gonna make it move up by 5 now. This encoding how to take this much code, by the way. So we're gonna make it move up after this by 5, and then we have to make it move left. I mean white by 2. Okay, let's make it move white by 2. Okay, so now that we got the whites, we just need to now copy this. This is what we want. Nice. We copy this, but instead we just take away the destroy, because well, it's air. Why do you need to destroy air? So now that we got our design, now let's try it. Let's actually blow up the house first because it's kind of fun. It's actually very fun to blow up houses. I don't know why, it's just like a satisfying work to blow up your homes when you don't need them anymore. So that, but the reason I'm blowing up these houses is because entity cramming. So let's blow up every house in the area. And nice. Okay, now let's teleport our agent here again. And then we're gonna type in house again. So now it should build a roof if I am correct. So let's just stay up here and see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, let's just see how it goes. You can fast forward if you don't want to see the work like this, because I know you're bored too by looking at this. Oh, I forgot to set it back to slot number 1. Let's copy this, and then let's set it to slot number 1 first. I made a mistake. How can I be so dumb? Okay, I can actually just blow up this house again. I don't know what is with me and blowing up people's houses. So first let's do this. Now we're going into type in house. My latest dream is that I will try playing it with my friend. I will try to play with my friend. No, I'm okay. So let's just watch the agent do our work, guys. Pipe. Okay, I'm back. I turned off my microphone. Okay, yes, this is what we want, guys. Yes. And there we go, guys. So now we actually managed to make some kind of home. So right now this is the house. So what now we want to do is that now this is the house. It's kind of dark, so we're going to make the eggs and place some torches around here. So I'll just do that quickly. Oh, sorry, I'm back, guys. I muted my mic for some time because some kind of guy just keeps coming, and I told him to go away for now. Anyway, so over here it will move down, destroy down, then move down again, then it will move left and then place right. So first you have to come in here because so this is where the agent's gonna be. It's gonna come here. And it's gonna break down, and then we want it to come over here next. So now it will come over here, and then it will. I will make it like go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it all 4, and it gonna play the torch 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's gonna play the torch and 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's gonna play a torch. And it's kind of simple. So it's like 1, 2, 3. So let's do that. So let's actually do that first. So we're gonna make it go by 4. I mean 3. And then we're gonna make it, so let's add a torch to our agent. Let's add a torch. Add this one. And then we have to go to active start again. And then we're going to make it place forward after that. We're gonna make it place forward. We're gonna make it move by let's say left. Oh wait, I'm gonna do this. Okay, yeah, we're gonna make it move left by 3 again. I mean 4. I think 4 is the correct answer. And then we're going to make it place forward once more. So to my calculations, this should work if I'm not mistaken. This should actually do it. But first, let's blow up the house again. Nice. So okay, so now let's make another building hammer. So we're gonna teleport the agent. And then now we're going to make type house. Okay, I'm just gonna say AFK here for a sec. Okay, so they built the door. Nice. Now it's going to build the roof. Nice. Okay, let's go inside the house and check because wait. Okay, so it goes the wrong way. How is it going the wrong way? Okay, but now let's try again. Okay, we'll make it go the right way now. Get it? Because like it's white. The right way is like it's white. So it's TP agents and we're gonna do the house. Let's see how it goes. So it builds the floor, nice. It builds the door, nice. It builds the roof. If this does not work, I will make another video, but for now, let's see. Wait, it actually works, except for the fact that it made a little hole and it placed the wrong way. But now, nonetheless, we know that it works because like it placed the 2 torches. Nice. So the only problem about this is that it just hang on, sorry guys, I'll be back. Sorry guys, I'm back. I had to go to somewhere. Sorry guys, but I'm back. So okay, so now let's teleport the agent again, and there should be no arrows now. House. Just to say that sometimes coding in Minecraft Education Edition isn't as simple as it looks, by the way. Before I could be as good as this, I had to practice a very long time. You have to like practice a lot of times. You like just make it simple. You just like need to make it simple step by step. There's like a step-by-step solution about this before going to the actual thing. So this is basically just a demo. This is like just a taste of programming. But programming is nonetheless more harder than this. This is just plain coding. But Yeah, I'll show you how. So there we go. And yes, that is what we want. Let's go. So it places 2 torches, but now we just need a bed. So now we're just gonna have to make it go down by 1, 2, 3, and then move left by 1, 2, 3, and then make it and then place a bed over here. Nice. So we're just gonna make it move down first. We're gonna make it move down. After that, we're gonna make it move down by 4. Let's say 4. 1, 2, 3, never mind. 3. And we're gonna make it move left by 2. 2, and we're gonna make it move left by 2. And then we're going to make it move forward once more. But first, we're just gonna have to put a bed. See, good thing I had a bed right at me. So, and then after that, we're going to make it switch to active slot, to the active slot, to the active slot 4, and then we're going to make it place backwards. And there we go. That should be right. And this is kind of simple, but I have another code, but it's in another computer. I can show you it later. I can send like a link. I can do a link. That code is actually super duper powerful. It's God mode. But okay, let's check if it works. So the agent builds the walls. Nice. So let's see if everything is right, because so by the way, about coding in my publication edition, if there are like any errors like this, you must fix it, okay? You cannot pass with errors. There has to be no errors, okay? So okay, it's building. Let's go inside and oh, wait, what? What? Wait, hello? Hello? What? Are you okay in there? Are you sleeping? I can't tell if you're sleeping or are you stuck in the bed. But nonetheless, it works. Nonetheless, it works. But as we know, it works. So this is how to build a house in Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more coding videos. Bye. See you later.
They're gonna play my own server.